Samsung fans waiting for the Galaxy S26 series might need to hold their excitement a little longer. A new report suggests that Samsung has changed its plans at the last minute, which could push back the release of its next flagship lineup. The company has reportedly decided to delay the production of some models, meaning the Galaxy S26 series might arrive later than usual. According to the latest information, Samsung had initially planned to start mass production of all three Galaxy S26 models, the standard S26, the S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra, in December 2025. The company will now only begin producing the Galaxy S26 Ultra in December, while the S26 and S26 Plus will enter production in January 2026. This delay has raised questions about when exactly the phones will hit the market. The main reason behind this delay appears to be Samsung's last-minute decision to drop the Galaxy S26 Edge model. Earlier reports suggested that Samsung had been developing an Edge version for the new series, but those plans have now been cancelled. Instead, the company decided to bring back the Galaxy S26 Plus model, a move that has reshuffled its entire production timeline. Because this change happened so late in the development process, the Galaxy S26 Plus still isn't fully ready for mass production. Samsung's teams are reportedly finalizing its design and hardware details, which means it needs a bit more time before production can begin. This also explains why the Galaxy S26 lineup could see a delayed release compared to this year's Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 lineup was launched in January 2025, and fans expected Samsung to follow a similar schedule for the S26 series. However, with these recent changes, the new phones might not be ready before February or even March 2026. Some earlier rumors even suggested a March launch, though more reliable sources haven't confirmed that timeframe yet. Despite the delay, many fans seem to understand Samsung's decision. After all, it's not unusual for smartphone makers to adjust their release timelines to ensure quality and avoid rushed production. It's better to wait a few more weeks than to face issues later with the devices themselves. Interestingly, Samsung isn't the only company making adjustments to its release schedule. Reports indicate that Apple is also planning a major shift for its upcoming lineup. The regular iPhone 18 models might launch in spring 2026, while the iPhone 18 Pro versions could arrive later in the fall, likely alongside the next generation of the iPhone Air. This shows that even major brands are taking more flexible approaches to product releases, possibly to focus on design, performance, and innovation instead of strict timelines. For Samsung, the decision to replace the Edge model with the Plus might actually turn out to be a smart one. Many fans weren't impressed with the curved screen design of the Edge phones, which often caused accidental touches and made screen protection tricky. By bringing back the Plus model, Samsung might be returning to a more practical and user-friendly design. The Galaxy S26 Plus is expected to fit comfortably between the standard S26 and the powerful S26 Ultra, offering a balance of premium features and affordability. While detailed specifications haven't been confirmed yet, it's expected to include a new generation display, a more efficient processor, and improved camera performance, all running on Samsung's latest software experience. The S26 Ultra, on the other hand, will likely remain the star of the series. With production starting in December, it could feature top-tier specs, including the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipset, upgraded cameras, and enhanced AI features for both photography and performance optimization. In the end, a small delay might not be such a bad thing. If it gives Samsung the time needed to polish the Galaxy S26 series and ensure it delivers the best possible experience, it's worth the wait. Smartphone technology is evolving fast, and taking a few extra weeks to fine-tune the design and performance could make a big difference in the final product. So, while the Galaxy S26 series might arrive later than expected, possibly in February or March 2026, fans can look forward to a lineup that's more refined and thoughtfully designed. The Plus model's return signals a shift away from unnecessary trends like ultra, thin, or overly curved displays. Instead, Samsung seems focused on delivering durability, usability, and balance across its flagship lineup. A short delay today could mean a stronger, better Galaxy tomorrow. And for most fans, that's a trade worth waiting for.